say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen.
So guys, the unit that we are reviewing today is this unit right here, and it's from Sensationnel, and it is part of their Butter Lace collection. And I have it in the style Butter Unit 35 in the color 1B. So this hair is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It has a wider parting space. It's ear to ear, and the parting space it's wide and it's very deep. On the back it shows you the colors that comes with it, and inside gives you more color option, and it tells you the difference between the butter lace and the normal lace. So this hair was sent to me by Sensationnel for review. Even though it was sent to me, I'm gonna give you my honest opinion, whether if I like it or not. I'll give you the pros and cons. So let's get right into it. I will start with the cons. One, it is a lot of hair, like a lot of hair. Okay, so you have the face shape to wear this unit, or else it's gonna wear you. I feel like people with smaller face, this unit is gonna swallow you up. Yeah. And I think that's all the cons for me. And the pros. I love the curls. The curls is very pretty. I love the lace. The lace, like if I tell you this is not melted or anything, like it's not melted. Let me see. Yeah, you see that? It is not melted. The lace is very blendable. I use my tinted spray, my Ruby Kiss tinted spray, and I put that, and you would think I melted it. The parting space is good. She comes with baby hair. I did use it. Ear to ear lace. Okay. But I don't know. I like it, but I'm conflicted. I just feel like it's a lot of hair for me. So this unit, it costs between $37 to $40 plus. It depends on the color you get it in and the company. So she's not that cheap, but I think she's worth it if this is your kind of hair. Okay, I don't know. I'm blabbing on. I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like. Yeah, so tell me what you think about her, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and have your post notification bell on so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I just want to tell Sensationnel, thank you for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Stand up.
It's a bad man.